Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me MOTOROLA Moto X40, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover the photos and videos from the recycle bin. To do it, first I open the Photos app on your device, and for example I will remove several memories. I will click delete, move to bin. Great. Now to recover it we have 30 days. So after 30 days, these photos and videos will be removed temporarily for our device. Permanently for our device, from our device. So to recover it, click library, click bin, choose photos and videos you want to recover, and click restore. Go back, photos, and as you can see, photos and videos was successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and bye. See you!